Welcome back to Star Technology, and we will continue today with setting up more multiblocks. Last time we got the multiblock mixer, circuit 1, and we need to make 2 more at least today for getting rid of these here, the circuit 2 and circuit 3. But I think the goal was to make the HV circuit first. I think we made some red steel. Yeah. Okay. Right. We need some red steel plates. Okay. Then then an HV machine casing. Okay. This one now needs to go into the clean room. Oh, no, stop. Yeah. Okay. Let's make... Yeah, we need to make one more of you. And I'm already gonna make a 4 amp HV power supply here. Oh, no more aluminum. Did I actually set up these wires? What are you making? Are you making aluminum? Yeah. Okay, good. If we have 4 amp power supply in the clean room, we can easily switch later on to upgrade all the machines to HV. So here we have the laser, and that is behind that. So let's put the power supply maybe here. And this one goes now directly on top. Hey, Solaris! Good morning! Or good evening for me. Laser power supply here. From here, no, from here to here. Yeah, okay, and we need to put back the chain. And here. Hey, Monkey Mage. There's a lot of bookmarks. Well, yeah, I have to clean up. I still have to clean that up at some point. But the thing is, I want to make today some assembler setup for circuits like circuit 8, circuit 6, circuit 4, and then we can remove these machine hoods and also make energy hedges automatically. These kind of things. Okay, now we need a packager. And a frog port. This is gonna be the new cutter. And the LV machines? Right, actually I don't need these anymore. Ah, that was for super tank. Damn it. Yeah. Probably the MV ones too. Don't think we need these anymore. Tractor, circuit assembler. Yep. And these 3 here. I think that looks already a bit better. Okay, so here we have the new cutter. You need to accept auto output also to the top. And most importantly, you need to get a redstone signal. Lever. Add complete. Yeah. Now we have no ads. No pre-rolls. Okay, we have the cutter over here. And in these here. So now I'm gonna remove you. Because you should not be used here anymore. And let me take some lubricant from you. Cell. Good cell. Oh, yeah, I have to set up the water request again. What? Okay. That is that. Then now we need to cut the wafer. Also, aluminum. Make more cables. Because we need more HV power supply. Okay, we have the factory gauge here. Then one of this LPIC wafer cuts into 4 chips. 34 at the cutter. Give it 10 minutes. And we want 8. Let's see. Okay. I can hear the machine. Okay, I think we can assume that's gonna work. Wait a minute, why are you actually not continuing? I forgot a void upgrade on the nickel. Damn it. Okay. Then next. Actually, before we continue with the mixers, let's actually make some HV assemblers. Especially ones for circuit 4 and 6 and 8. Yeah. For some of these, we need a repackaging setup. We don't need a setup where we have them in parallel like this for the mixers, but we need some circuit 4, for example, can be just here. Let me make the assembler. Let's start. Okay, you are circuit 8. Okay, that's circuit 8. Then we start with the circuit 8 one. And we want a dedicated area for that. Here I was planning to do chemical reactors. Actually, this is wait. Chain conveyor shaft. Okay. Okay, no, it's fine. But then behind here, I'm gonna start the assembling machine area. Okay, first we need a 4 amp energy hedge again. Not energy hedge, a 4 amp. 4 amp power supply converter thingy. Here we go. With some aluminum wire. Hey, Mayo the Jar on and Ethan on YouTube. Hello. What do you mean, Ethan? We can start. I think circuit 8 is mostly. Can I check? In assembler. Okay, what do we have here? Lamps? Don't care about that. And the... Okay, we can make a chest, but we can also just craft that. Okay, just casing, and we don't need fluids for this one. And I also don't think we need to repackage anything there. We just get the materials in the machine, and that is that. So Here we go. Of course, we need some lasers for power transfer. One, two, three, one. Okay, and nope. Here until here. No, doesn't work. Okay. So we got power here. Then you are doing this. We're gonna set this to circuit 8. Package up. Reboot. Goes here. As C8. Give it a redstone signal. So it can send stuff back. How are you generating power? I am right now doing a mix of water wheels, which are kind of obsolete, I think. But yeah, my main power is now diesel. And we also have to increase that today as well. The ethanol storage is full. We can still process a lot of the plant oil. Oh, I think fertilizer is full. Yeah. Let me get another one here. It's for making methane gas. What plant obtaining method are you using? It was just next to that here. The weeds in the large farms. And right now I have 12. Oh. No, I don't. This one is not even finished. Wait, do I even have? I have some. Why did I not finish this one? Okay. Now I have 12. But anyway, it was already enough. Free power. Infinite free power. Okay, so here, behind that, we don't need to make that actually so big. We will mostly put for now we have only 3, right? We have the steel plates. The plate. Which one is it? Yeah. That turns into the LV casing. I don't know if I still need that, but anyway. 8 of that, turn into one of this. Assembler circuit 8. Give it 5 minutes. And we want one of these. Are you using a magnet for turning SU? Yeah. Right now, I'm using 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, and the third one is not done yet here. Right. That reminds me of doing this and putting the neodymium in the EBF. Why are you cooking that much again? Ah, stainless steel, okay. And we also have to extend the power today, because once the EBF is running, it quickly drains the power storage. Plus, we're gonna upgrade to HV energy hatches pretty soon, so we're not gonna last with that power supply that long. Then we have these turn into these. 8 into 1. Circuit 8. Give it also a few minutes, and then we have stainless steel turning into the HV machine casings. 8 to 1 as circuit 8. Okay. Do you know how much RF you generate? I think it was 8,500. RF? Wait, RF? I don't know. No, wait, this was RF, right? That was not... Yeah, that was kinda... That was... RF, 8,600. And that is definitely not enough, because if we have 1 amp HV is 2000 RF, or FE in this case here. So yeah, having the EBF running on 16 amps HV, the 8500 FE is not gonna be enough. We need quite a lot more. Alright, that's these. Then let's... Next one is circuit 4, I think, because we need to make these frames here often. Assembler, circuit 4. Is there anything we need to make with fluids? I don't think so. That's a lamp again. It's also a lamp. I think we don't need that. Yeah, let's make another assembler. Oh wait, first. Okay, there's 2 choices we can do here. We can make it either like this or with the fluid in the assembler. The thing is, I have set up the... oh, right, I have not, because we haven't set up the polyethylene yet after last time. Okay, one sec. We need to first set up the polyethylene again. You are running EV EBFs? No, not yet. HV. No, right now it's MV. But, like, they are running on HV, right? But, like, 2 MP energy hatches. But, Since now we should have the... Oh, we don't. What happened here? Why do we not have the... Huh? Interesting. Where are these then? Where are the wafers? The chips? What the heck? This might be... It might have been sent somewhere. Interesting. Also, the CPU thingy here is in progress, but... Or do we have a clean room problem? No, it's 100% clean. So 1 amp of EV, so 8,000. Yeah, I'm close to, yeah, exactly. Right now I'm just close to being fine. So that's also something we need to update. Like with these machines plus, with this machine plus others running, we are losing energy right now. Right now we're gaining again, but it is close. It is close. Okay, what are the wafers doing here? What's happening? What is wrong? Interesting. Let me damn it. I accidentally deleted that. There was... What was the name? Laser Diamond or something? Ah, come on. Laser Dia. Okay, and then you do this. So let's see what's gonna happen. I can hear the laser. Then the item should go out to the storage. Then come back in. And the wafer should be cut. That's probably the... Wait, what is... What was that? I saw something going out to somewhere here. Right? Where could have... Ah. Oh, what is this? What the... The heck? Why do you have... Okay, one sec. That's fluid storage stuff. Something is wrong here. Wafers are probably also somewhere. Oh, what do we have here? Okay. Why were you sent in here? That's odd. I mean, they are kinda not addressed to anywhere. Okay, wait, let's see where this package is going. The thing is, it is being sent back, but these don't have signs. Before that, it was always going back to the storage. But I don't know, maybe right now we have an issue that is just going somewhere yeah. Why is it going here? Well, why? Why do you think that's a valid storage location? Ah, wait a minute, I can already set this to only send. Right. So you are also only send. These are already only send. Only send. This one can only send. This one can only send. This one as well. If I put you back here, what you gonna do? Did you just go in here? Why? Okay. Then we do this differently. We connect the pipe. Okay, where are you going now? That's so weird. Okay, let's... Oh. Boots are running out of power and I dropped almost off the edge, of course. Okay, let's try that again by making this one more. Where are you going this time? Okay, you're going. That's, what? Why? Why? What are you doing in here? Only sand. Ah, now it's gone, or what? Where? Or is it in the storage now? Okay, no, it went to the storage. Maybe I followed the wrong package. Hmm, interesting. Okay. If this still doesn't work, I will have to redesign that setup. I will have to redesign it like this. We need then an item auto output pipe. And this one might be not working as well then. Or if we take a sign. What? Sign. We write storage on here. Then it should be always sent back to storage. Anyway, polyethylene. That's the next step here. We were making sulfuric acid, right? So let's get some. Oh, here I have some factory gauges. Then chemical reactor. So how were we making that? I think we put the sulfuric acid with the ethanol together, right? Yeah. So let's have the ethanol supply here. 0. That's not true. All right. I need to connect that up again. Okay. And then we make ethylene over here. One bucket, one bucket, one bucket. Chemical circuit 1. Give it a few minutes and keep 4 buckets of that in the system. Let's see if the recipe is correctly being triggered. It is waiting for the ethanol. Repackaged. And we are making that. Good. And then it was just the oxygen together with the ethylene to make polyethylene. 144 ethylene, yeah. Hundred. $44, and the output here is 216. Okay, I can press shift for 100 millibuckets. Okay. Circuit 1. Let's say we want 4 buckets of that, and we have still 9. Then we need another packager here. And here we were requesting polyethylene. Here. If we have 2 buckets in here, that's completely fine. And that's gonna be the polyethylene. Polyethylene sheets, which we can use to make the machine hoods. And at some point you should be below the threshold, so we start making polyethylene. Factory gauge. So let's set that up here. We have the 3 machine hoods. I'm gonna put these here on the top. We have LV machine hole. We have MV. And we have, where is it? HV. Okay. MV first. We need wrought iron, steel, tin cable. And of course, okay, wait, no, we need the machine casings too. Also, maybe we need some more, so let's have a few more gauges here. Did you know that 60 diesel engines can power 3 full sets of fluctuated magnetite coils? Fluctuated. Wait, which one is the fluctuated? Ah, but this... how much is that in the neodymium? Because these have not so good efficiency. You need to use neodymium. And what do you mean by 3 full sets? Oh, we have probably polyethylene and ethylene production is ramping up here. There's a max number of generator. Ah, that's what you mean. Okay. And then 3. Okay. I mean, the neodymium takes, I think neodymium is triple the amount. Yeah, triple the amount of magnetic force, so then probably can do one full set or something. Which is pretty good. Okay, let's start by adding some stuff over here. Here can go more crate stuff, and then here is the polyethylene sheet. Do we have wrought iron sheets? No. Let's add them here. So that we put, we can put then the casings here. I've already deleted them. No, machine casing I still have for HV. And then here goes the LV machine hull with tin cables, one of you, the steel plating here, and the wrought iron, and the crafter. Give it 5 minutes, and we want 2. Then we do the same with you, and you need also wrought iron. Wrought iron, aluminium plates. Was that copper cable? Oh, yeah. Copper cable. This one and the crafter. 5 minutes. Make 2 as well. And then finally we have the HV one, where we need the stainless steel plates, the polyethylene sheets, the gold cable. Right? Was that that was gold cable, right? Yeah. And 2 of that. Okay, that would be the machine hulls. A muffler hatch. Let's do a muffler hatch. We always need these. Can go here. We need one of you. And we need... What do we need? We need a motor, an LV motor. And what we also need is some components we don't have here yet. Normal bronze fluid pipe. And a tin. Oh, actually I will move these over here. Because we will also automate pumps now. And for that we need more of these components. Let me get some factory gauges. Then 10 rotors. This one in the crafter. Give it 3 minutes. And 5 minutes. Of these, I always want 4. In case we make a quad setup of something. Then, pumps. Where are we gonna make pumps? We have assembler circuit 1 HV, but actually I will not call this one HV, I will call this one NL for no liquid. And I know that we are making this one in here. Because we will have some setup with liquid. This one here is without right now. The one with liquid goes over here to the assembler area. Oh, here we go. It's a bit overloaded maybe. Oh no. Okay, the problem is I see a lot of packages, but I don't see so much being crafted. That's a bit concerning. Ah, you're going back to storage. They are not fast enough. Okay. One sec. Hey, Evercrafting. The storage is already overwhelmed. Maybe I can override somehow the animation speed of these. Make them faster. Okay, we have things done. Can you keep the life a little longer? What do you mean? Me too. What do you mean? Do you mean the promise expiration? Okay, with these rotors, we can now use the assembler for making a pump. So we need the rings, the rubber rings. We need them for all the pumps, I think. And we also need the tin screws. I don't think we have that. Tin screw. And then we do here the LV pumps from these components. Normal bronze. Yeah. This one, an LV motor. And this one, 2 rubber rings. And this is at the assembler, no liquid. Give it 5 minutes. And actually 2 pumps is fine. So we will test the setup with the HV pumps, MV pumps. That will go here. What's your favorite Loud House characters? The fuck is Loud House? What the heck is Loud House? I like a quiet house. Uh, where's... Yeah, I was wondering. What's happening here? Huh? Why are your messages being removed? Or are you removing them? Weird YouTube chat. Okay. We have normal. Steel and yeah, the rest is okay. So bronze screws. Rotor. Here. The MV pump. Rubber ring. You. This. That. A copper cable, right? That was copper. Yeah. Wait. Yeah, just 2 rubber rings and then assembler, no liquid. This, that, give it 6 minutes. Make 2. Okay, this one we can check now if that's actually working. But it should be. Oh. Huh? Wait, did I not rename? Ah, I forgot the circuit one. Damn it. Okay. Put these back and reset the promise. So we get the... Okay, there it is. Yep, that works. Nice. We got MV pumps. Next are HV pumps. Oh, what is this? Okay, then what shows have you gonna up? Wait. You mean like what I'm watching? Okay, here we have stainless steel, steel, steel. Steel, steel. Oh, wait. Here's... Huh? That is stainless steel, right? Wait, where? Ah, here. Okay. And steel screw. Steel screw here. HV pump. From this motor. From the gold cable. Rubber rings. And then some steel components. Again, we need 2 rings probably. Assemble circuit 1. No liquid. 5 minutes, 7 minutes. Okay, are we having any machine that takes more than 2 pumps? Probably not, right? Most of them take 1 or 2. Oh, we have... Ah, no, this one we don't need. Yeah. We don't need the other ones. Oh, LVV generator. That might be something we need to make. Anyway, not yet. We don't even have the super tanks barely filled. So that's gonna be fine. Do you like Roman story? I am just curious, please. What the heck? Do you know solo leveling? Oh, this quest we have done now. Okay. Oh, what do we have here? Actually, we cannot make this yet. Okay, sodium. Oh no, that's actually pretty easy to do if we have some potassium. We don't have it here, but that should be pretty easy to get. If we don't already have it as a byproduct from processing Okay, no. Okay. So then electrolyze. Salpeter, right, has electrolyze nothing? Here. Salpeter does, so I can electrolyze for that. And we have tons of that. Oh, we also get it from here. Okay. That is good, because this is something we need to electrolyze for getting fluorine. I think I set it up somewhere here, right? Yeah, here's the dust. So, render content, I am new. Minecraft. Greg Tech. We are graying here. You know anything about Greg Tech? You know GTNH? We love gregging it, exactly. What should be... Alright, I was setting up assemblers. Yeah, I should continue with that. What am I doing? We just set up some extra machines here. So, next one, circuit 4. Can be just going behind here. Let me get some vacuum blocks. We can put these here, right? And then we put the assembler here. And on this wall, we're gonna put some rods that we're gonna turn into frames. So, advanced assembler. Now we can just instantly craft these. Nice. And then, yeah, no, we need let's start with these here. Heat-proof invar machine casing. We always need these a lot. Also, while I'm at it, these are made with circuit 6. And I think here we also don't have... Yeah, we again have lamps that require fluids. Silicone rubber casing? What is that for? Oh, okay, no, we need that soon. But I think it's fine if we don't repackage that. It should still not cause any conflict. So we're gonna put the circuit 6 assembler directly next to it. Alright, we're missing a robot arm. Okay, good. Not yet. Then... where are my packages? Why do we not have... wait, where are my packages? Oh, I do not have cardboard, maybe? Did I... oh, I maybe did run out of... no, we still have 4 in there. Wait, what's my sugarcane? Okay, nothing. Then... let's fill that up again. But also set that up proper. Okay, and then we have... here goes that, and then here we have the circuit 6 one. These seem to work so far completely fine. Some, of course, being faster than others. Okay, the issue is more that we don't... that we cannot take out the fluids fast enough, I think. But we still can add a multi-fluid tank here and add upgrades, speed upgrades to these, so in case that really takes too long in the future with bigger recipes, we need to upgrade that. Do we have a packager now? Yes, nice. 2 of you and 2 of you. This one here is gonna be the assembler circuit 4. No liquids. Anyway, they don't need liquids. Then victory gauges. Oh, right. First of all, fine. And we need to send the output back to the storage. And of course, set that to circuit 4. And then we start with making steel frames. We always need steel frames for the solid machine casings here especially. Okay, we're gonna turn 4 into 1 at the assembler circuit 4. And let's keep 10 in the system. That's working. Okay. Next up. I think we need for these also the aluminium, yeah. 4 to 1 assembler circuit 4. Also keep 5 of these only. I think we don't really need these for any multi-block, right? Essence replicator. I don't think I'm gonna make that. I don't know. We can always increase the number here. But of course we also need in the invar frames. And also keep 5 of these. 4. 5. Here. We will then combine the steel frames. And we need more factory gauges. So we also need some steel plates and we need some invar plates. Actually, first I can make you. And the other way around. Invar and plates. Okay. But we of course need that assembler first of all here. So there we go. That is circuit 6. Auto output. Packager. And assembler circuit 6. Okay. Then storage. Okay. Solid machine casing. From this and 6 of these plates in the assembler circuit 6. Give it 5 minutes. And that is also 2, right? Yeah. And of these I will keep 10. Next we have the frost-proof thingy, because we're probably gonna make this. Is also, yeah, there are also other multis that need that. Yeah, good. Okay, and have 10 of these as well. And then we have the heat-proof invar casing. Assembler circuit 6, 5 minutes. Nope, I just deleted that. And also, actually, the recipe has 2. Also 10. Then, maintenance hedge. We can make now the auto maintenance hedge, right? Yeah. That's a bit more expensive, but I think it's worth it. First of all, making this one is LV machine oil and circuit 8 one, which is easy to do. We have that over here. Here. Into the assembler circuit 8. And I always want 2. And then we're gonna set up the auto maintenance hatch. We need a lot of HV components for that, so you go here. We need the maintenance, auto maintenance, HV that, HV this, and also HV that. Into the crafter. Give this like 15 minutes. And we want 2 of them. Actually 4, but first having 2 is gonna be enough. That's gonna take a while. And also it's gonna drain a lot of energy. Oh, oh, oh. Oh no. Oh no. Here we go. Make another 10 engines. 34. 8 at least. Huh? No. Here. Okay. And let's see, can we have some neodymium, right? Good. Do we have some magnetite? Nothing. Then we need the these here. Wait, energized gold? No, overcharged. What do we need? Ah, mostly gold. But also some diamonds. Take out some diamonds from here. That should be enough charged in diamonds for a while. And we need some more gold. Oh, we can actually make the multi-smelter. Should do that. Okay, then we're gonna make the and with these we're gonna make that another 12. Okay, that was completely fine. We are now having 11,000. Now we need another one of the generator cords. Okay, no power failure. 12,000 and we are not fine. Do we think we are staying barely above? Okay, you're making too much. Yeah, I have to figure out a solution for that. The problem is the mixer is of course faster than making than the blast furnace is processing the dust. So we always will have a large amount of inputs in the EBF. The mixer thinks constantly the storage is empty. We don't have dusts, and that is not true, of course. But I'm not sure how to fix that. Only thing I could do is change this to a ULV input bus to have just one slot and add a stock link to here. And then the contents of this input barrel is counting. Oh, why is an output in here? Ah, no, that's for making steel. So for example, right now, wait, so packager, stock link. Right now we have 7. And if I add a U, even you don't do anything, we have 51, 59. And that is because the storage is now connected. So you would stop crafting dust. But still, we would still make way more than we actually originally requested. Oh, what is that? That is not good. Now you're trying. Nah, okay, this doesn't work. This actually doesn't work. Fluids are being crafted. Perfect. Nice. So far, no issue. So it seems like maybe the code is working. That's perfect. Those all done. Nice. Oh, nice. The automation hatch is also done. That's also a quest here, so let's pick one up. Okay. Next assembler. We have 4, 6, 8. I think that's maybe it for now. And probably we should get into a proper ore processing setup with the multi-blocks. Yeah. That is, I think, the next step to do. To basically get rid of this one here. But I think I need more space than this. Especially for the output storage. So we kinda have the output storage over here. We just need to extend that with even more drawers. So let's get some cobblestone. Actually, before I do ore processing, we need even more power. So, gold, right? We need more charged up gold. Just 4. Okay, do we have, how much neodymium do we still have? Okay, a bit more, that's good. Then that. This one, and then and that. Okay. Ah, still fine. Okay, nice. Oh, nice. That means we are now at 16,000. That's good. That's basically what these 2 cables can carry. That should be... The EBF is running right now and we are still gaining a lot of energy. That's good. That's... that should be good for some ore processing over here. Okay. This area we need for more processing of the byproduct. Oh, wait. Calcite? Oh. I know what's happened. I didn't put any void upgrades here. The ores, I don't need void upgrades. Silver. I should put another one. Okay, this one will slowly start up again. Mm, we need... Okay, we need... How's the macerator? Some stuff is already crushed, but some is not. And then we need to split that up. So then we have the ore washer. I think we probably need to make more ore washers than we need macerators. And but the thing is, I think I'm just gonna build a quadruple setup of every single machine. What is the large maceration tower? When can we make this one? It's an IV, okay. This one would be probably way better. How far away are we from Ivy? I mean, not that far, right? Ah, wait, first we need to progress through EV. No, okay. No, we're gonna use these macerator here. And we're gonna run all of this on HV energy hatches, which I still have to make. So, first, let's do that. We have some packages here flying around. What are you doing here? You're going electrolyzer? Oh, you're kinda busy. You are kinda busy here. Let me take this one out. I think we have enough aluminium. Yeah. Okay, we need an HV electrolyzer. So we need, first of all, to make this one, we need sodium potassium, the high voltage core, which is, that's pretty easy to do, black steel. We have black steel dust. So we need to make, first of all, some black steel ingots in the, is that blast furnace or is that, can I do this? No, it has to be blast furnace, okay. Which is of course busy right now. Oh, no. What are you still making? Ah, now you're making stainless steel, okay. Oh, this, oh. You're gonna make tons of steel too. It's gonna keep resetting here. Fine. What else do we need? We need, for the macerator here, we need 4 of these. And then we need a few of the blue steel casings. And blue steel, we don't have that, no. That's an hot blue steel ingot made from bismuth bronze, okay. And we can already set up now. We have black bronze, not the bismuth bronze. Which needs bismuth. Of course. And which comes from... Ah, I see. So that stuff, oxygenous mineral mixture, that is from, okay, yeah, we need to continue with setting up more void miner processing. So let's remove the trash can over here, because we now need these outputs, especially this one. The other one we don't need yet. Okay, Lumium, get a 4 amp energy converter here, and then we need to make a few machines. First of all, we need to process this in the center. No, this we have. We need to process this in an electrolyzer, and then we need to then we get these two fluids. This one we process in a centrifuge, and this one we process also in a centrifuge. Okay, so both, it's electrolyzed. This, no, this, no, this one is gonna be electrolyzed, and both of these fluids should just head into the centrifuge. Or we're gonna make 2 centrifuges. Actually, one should be fine if we auto output the fluid. And wait, this is 500 and you make 400. Okay, that's fine. You're gonna be 500. Maybe we get some overflow. I'm gonna make 2 centrifuges. So, electrolyzer. And we don't have electrum cable. We do, but not the small ones. Okay, we need this one. And let's put the power supply over here. We have you going here. And then, yeah. Then we have item output there, fluid output here. And we also have this one still here. We need some filter. Some Greg fluid filters. And some Greg pipes. Let's use stainless steel pipes. They are corrosion resistant, so just in case. Since we have here some stuff that I don't know if we have to be careful with that. So here we put not this, so that's on a blacklist. And here it's on the whitelist. Okay, that means you do this, and we have the correct stuff in here. Then we take 2 centrifuges, 1, and have the item output to the back. THETA. Pipe. And we set the filter here to have the whitelist of this one. Then we make another centrifuge. Once we have the HV circuits, we have them. Easy. Nope. And here, set this one to a blacklist. Also item auto output here. Let's turn the machines on. We have some power connector there. From here to here. From here to here. Okay, good. You need 1 bucket to have this running. And that means you need to turn on again. Why are you not running? We need more water. That is easily done by reconnecting this one. Where are you going? What the heck? What are these packages? Ah, that's the oxygen output. So, no, here it was. Yeah, we had that. Factory gauge. And here goes the water. Request water. Yeah, like this. Okay. That should solve that. Why are you not? Other we don't have creosote. That's fine for now. Okay, this should work. We just need to connect that up here and add more outputs. I don't see water incoming. Ah, yeah. Okay. And now. Okay. You're probably cooking stainless steel. Yep. Then power. Let's take more. Let's do. Do we have more neodymium? Yeah, a bit more. Which we also cannot cook because right now the EBF is mega busy. Oh, no, no, no. Okay, we should have enough resources for a while after that one is done. So in that case, let's do something. Let's build a proper upgrade. Let's get some zinc. Okay. Then I think we first need to make 2 more of you. Then 2 more of that. Okay. And then let's see how many we still can build into that current. Okay, we have space for 10 more right now. Here, let's add 10 more. Hmm. No more andesite here. Yeah. Right. I completely forgot that we need to set up a proper way to make the andesite. Can I make, no. Do I have some? Nope, also not. Okay. Damn it. By the way, I have been trying to calculate the diesel gen number needed. You mean for the neodymium coils? Yeah. How many do we need for one maximum stack? How many is it? 11. Okay, get some of this. Ah, I can make diorite this way. Wait a minute. Because then I can make andesite this way. Okay, I'm gonna be right back once I get something to drink. Okay, I'm back. 45.5 technically. Oh, but I think I wait a minute. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 24, and yeah, once we have the rest now, we have 48. So with these 48 then, I should be definitely fine. That's more than 45.5. We should be good with that. Okay, here goes the last 10 engines. Nope. Okay, everyone has diesel, and let's see if you are gonna keeping up here. Okay, I think that's still completely fine. These will keep up anyway. And okay, here are not even all of these are even running. Okay. Yeah. We can probably add another 40. You will have 30,720 left over as you do. That's good, yeah, because we also have these running, of course. These grinding wheels. But actually it's gonna be less and less. I think this setup is insanely large, and I can now make the forge hammer multi-blocks, right? The... No, not this one. Or can I not make a... No, I cannot make that. Ah, not yet. Or is there... What's the way to make, for example, dust later on? That's forge hammer, yeah. Crushing wheels are superior, but they add lag, right? And that is for the food and add the water wheels. So right, we also have water wheels. So yeah, we should be fine. I mean, with the crushing wheels, we get flint and dust as well, clay dust. That's not too bad, right? Okay, what was the max size of these again? Like how many was that again? Can we just add? And then it's gonna say... That's it. You can't add more. 8 colts. Okay. We have 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the 5th one. Okay, then I just made 3 more. And then we're gonna fill up the rest now with these ones, and we need more magnetite. Okay, we can still make 1. And then we have the fluctuated. Put that here from the back. Yeah, we still need to make way more. What's the power now? Okay, you probably... Yeah, the energy is charging. That means we cannot transfer anymore. So we're gonna use lasers. That's gonna be a bit easier to do here. We have laser. This one is gonna be the extract. This is going down, but if I put this here, it's going up. And you are empty. Still going up. Good. I just tested it. I was wrong. What? No. How much wrong? Wait, why are you not? Ah, okay, we are full here. That's good. Oh no, what the heck? Oh no, what the heck? Oh no, 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 no. That is all because we were doing this. Why we still don't have enough sodium persulfate? Are you still doing all this solar light here? Stop. Stop. Oh my goodness. I mean, we should upgrade to an HV electrolyzer. Then this problem doesn't exist anymore. Okay, we have sodium persulfate now full. That's good. Okay, is it almost done? Okay, the rest can be just processed. Okay. Unfortunately for you, they removed the sieve cobbleworks for gravel sand dust since the infinity cells exist. Wait. Infinity sand cell, infinity gravel cell? No. Wait a minute. Is that something that's kind of required in the end game? Oh no. This is from LUV on? From LUV on you can make this? What the heck? Uh, any number of coils is how I was wrong. What do you mean with that? Do you have VSync on? I don't know. Wait, let me check. Do I have VSync on? Yes. Wait, why do I have VSync on? Wait. No way. Did you ask me that because it was lagging while I was accessing the machine? That was the problem. Oh my. Yeah. Yeah, Titus says logistics, not storage. Nah, we're not gonna use any AE2. No AE2. But we should be fine. Like, I mean, if we build a proper production chain and having everything on passive, we shouldn't need this actually. We probably, like, if we... what's the large sifting funnel? How much, what's the throughput here? No, that's not the... So, sifting dust here, right? In the large sieve. So... is this... Okay, parallel hatch. We can add. I don't know. I mean, the problem is not only the supply. I think the transportation of the amount of dust into this machine later on, if we have more parallels. I think maybe we cannot transport that much of a batch size with these packages. But there is actually, I think, there is some configuration stuff about, I think in my last playthrough, I configured something about these packages. Here, maybe. Chain conveyor capacity. The amount of packages a chain conveyor can carry at a time. Okay. Factory gauge time. But the amount of ticks a factory gauge waits between requests. This we can actually even increase. Package port range. Wait a minute. The total amount of stacks a vault can hold per block in size. We can also increase that to make the storage bigger. But I think there was even more. Dimensions. Ah, here. Max chain conveyor connections and max chain conveyor length. Yeah, maybe we need to adjust these in the future. Probably. Ah, but anyway. Either way, 8 neodymium coils will produce around 25,000. Okay. That's pretty good. That is then around about 6,500 EU per tick. Which is alright for HV. Okay, we are still waiting for this one. And actually, I'm gonna take out the stainless steel now, because we now have enough here. Also don't need to make that much steel. Aluminium is fine. What we need to process though is the blue steel, and we need the bismuth, and that was right. We upgraded the void miners because we need the bismuth. So have you been? Yes, you have been processing that, but you're not outputting this because of what? Ah, come on. Ah, Greg pipes. Okay, can we make the quadruple? Quadruple stainless steel. That's the small ones. 2, 3, 8. That's the whitelist. Yeah, and the fluid should be able to bounce back and forth in there in case it does not have a destination. Okay, I think we needed these for... No. Was it this one? Cassiterite, right? And that was where we get the bismuth from. But I can only get that with sodium persulfate in HV. Ah. Can we... I'm just gonna leave this here. What is... Interesting. Wait, is that a wall shared setup? This looks kind of weird. Wait a minute. Sava, this guy is the main. Where would we get that from? Oh, that is... And then we actually have that already. And how are we gonna get bismuth from... Ah, from the dust. So we can just electrolyze that. And fluorine as well. Okay. That makes things easier. We just need to... But anyway, since I'm gonna plan to upgrade the multi-blocks into... let me delete these. Since we need the macerator, the ore washer, HV, right? This one is also the... I can upgrade, yeah. The thermal centrifuge, HV. I can quickly set up some small processing chain for this, because we need to craft these blocks anyway. First one, diamond dust. Don't think we have that. And yes, it's for shared magnets. That's crazy. But yeah, I think we're gonna do that. Probably I will move that setup anyway somewhere else once we have enough. Wait, then we can already... We can already... No, that's fine. First we need to upgrade the diesel engines for that as well. Oh. Oh, one sec. Macerator? Macerator? It's a diamond dust. Then we need some double steel plates. Okay, yeah, I don't have a diamond in the storage here. Okay, that's the macerator then. Next we have the ore washer. Where are we gonna put this quickly? Since we will build it over here, let's just extend this. And macerator. I get some more aluminum. This is of course just temporary here right now. Accumulator. I should probably automate the crafting of these. What? Buckets? Okay, we take this stuff, put it in the macerator. Oh, wait a minute, that was already crushed. That was stupid. What circuit was that again? Circuit 2 makes it faster. But we want more dust. So this one now goes into an ore washer as well, right? No? And the... No, circuit 2, okay. There we go, and the purified one goes in here, Canthal wire. Uh-huh. Which one? 4x? Okay. It goes here. And you go again here. Good, we have 5 dust. That means we get 1 bismuth. Not enough. Why are you not running? Is the drilling fluid empty? Get this going again. Also, what is the... That's beryllium, right? I mean, we... Do we need beryllium for ender pearl dust? Uh-huh. Bornite, barite, barium, etium bearing. Ah, okay. So let's set up the super tank. Ah, I did already for fluorine. Here it is. So I should just be able to put this... Oh. Put this in here. Okay, we just got something else. 3. I knew it. Right. That's of course an MV one. How about we change this one entirely to an HV version, and we're gonna move that setup over here. So get some aluminum. I'll put this here on the end. Electrolyzer. I think I have that. The extractor. Chemical bath. Assembler. What? Did I delete that? So I don't need the screws here, and pump. This one. The lens. Then we need yeah, the electrolyzer. Here. Oh, why can I not craft that? Oh, hey! Oh my goodness! How's the GTNH run? I'm taking a break from GTNH right now and trying my Star Technology run using only Create Logistics. Candy on break doing all the mods 10. Ah! We need... Right, this one I was just sending back there. But... yeah, no, this can be gone then. Actually, this chemical bath is also offline. And electrolyzer, so... but may start over when 2. Yeah, I also thought about that, like if I should start over with GTNH when 2.9 is out. Because it looks so good, like the things they added. But I'm so far, like I'm in UV, I've never been that far, and I'm in UHV now. Yeah. Frog Network, never seen it in action. It's actually so fun. I wish I can play GTNH this way. Because I have everything here on passive, right? Like if I... let's say we're gonna make some... here, the electrolyzer, right? Like, or I can make any machine I want here. Because everything I have in the system all the time. It's working actually pretty good. It was my first run and it's been going on for so long. Yeah. For me it's my second, but the first run I take serious, basically. So if I stop it now, then it's like... I don't know. I kinda wanna push through with that version. Maybe they're gonna make... maybe the next version is... doesn't take so long, it's gonna come out sooner or something, I don't know, but... and then I will restart with that version. Good luck with frogs, I better go to bed. Good night then. Good night. The frogs never get tired. True, you got 2.10 before things get removed anyway. Ah, okay. Ah, I see. Okay, so yeah, then maybe until 2.10 I'm gonna wait. Fluid storage. This one here. And stuff just back. And this one we don't need anymore. We just auto put the stuff here to the back. And then we're gonna connect this one as the output. Packager. No, I don't need that because we should have that over here. Electrolyzer. And you gonna be gone. The request is still open, but I will reset that anytime. Electrolyzer. Okay. Now. That should be... Yep, there we go. But still takes a while to process the sodalite. And why are you doing that again? Because I had so much aluminium dust. Don't tell me we have 4 steps. Oh. Okay. We should get now some fluorine and bismuth. Yep, there we go. And fluorine should also go into here. And there we go, that's the 1 bucket of fluorine. I also have to take care of the diluted sulfuric acid soon. What? Okay, we have diluted hydrochloric acid and diluted sulfuric acid, so we need to have a dedicated circuit 1 distillery to process that. Over here, actually, we can just build that over here. Do we have MV power? Actually have. And so to save on resources here. Now that we have this many machines left over. Let's get a chest. And one of the item pipes here, and we're gonna do this. So this is basically the recycle machine here. To save on sulfuric acid, what we're gonna do here quickly is make a distillery. Is it gonna take... Okay, no, this is actually pretty fast even on MV. Copper nickel. Spring. Why? That. Okay, and that is pretty easy to set up because we just need to do this. Then we have a distillery here. We pipe this in from here. Set that to circuit 1. And then it goes out to here. And we will do the same over here with diluted hydrochloric acid. We just need to set up power, of course, here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There. 3, 4, 5. Oh, I took out all the laser nodes. Okay. And there we go, that's gonna process now all the sulfuric acid. Nice. Let's see, how far are we here with the byproducts? Okay, we got 12 more that have to go in here. Also got some tantalite, that's very nice. But I think we also get some already from some other ores, right? Here, we also have tantalite dust already. From which point we need tantalum? Tantalum foil. From the SMD components. Okay, that's it. Is that already it? SMD carbon. Platinum. Okay. Okay, and you need to be centrifuge. Macerated. Okay, 25, 26. There we go. Let's make that in here, then now we can make the bismuth bronze. 4 brass. Here's brass. So that goes here. That, one of you. 234, and then it was 5, right? Was it? Yeah. Oh no, wait, what am I doing? That, 4 of you. In the mixer. Circuit 1. Okay, that's good. How much do we need for... We just need 1 for the blue. Okay. So 5 is gonna be fine. Then we have blue steel. We also need sterling silver. Silver we have already. Here then. That is silver and copper. So 4:1 ratio, yeah. Makes 5. So 5 of that. And then finally we have you. That's 2 steel, 4 black steel. We have the black steel. We have the steel. And then we have 1 of bismuth bronze, 1 of sterling silver. Right? Yeah. And that makes 8. And that we need like... Actually we need 8. Let's keep it at 8. And that should be incoming now. We're still cooking some aluminium, but we actually have enough. So take this out. And blue steel. And we also can get some more neodymium. Okay, it's making the blue steel. Nice. Need to charge the boots. Yeah, mixer is working fine. Then how much do we need? Yeah, we need a few of this. That's not gonna be enough. Let's... Okay, the thing is, it's getting late. Don't have time left for today, unfortunately. So I will prepare that off stream. I will prepare everything off stream, and then hopefully tomorrow we will set up the new ore processing area. Right, we also need MB energy hatches, but that is fine. Yep. We will do that next time. Alright. Today we set up a bit more assemblers. And yeah, just did the new alloys. And a bit of a cleanup. Polyethylene is online again. A bit more power. The additional ore processing here, that still has to be connected. But yeah, next time I'm gonna do maybe longer, then we can do more than... Alright, I need to go. See you then. Bye bye.